Let me share with you why I adjusted this elderberry syrup instead of just sticking to my original recipe. This cough has been really dry, irritating, and making my throat sore, even though I've got thick congestion in my sinuses. And that tells me that my immune system is working, but my throat and airways are inflamed and just overreacting. That's why I added some onion. When onion is gently cooked, it helps loosen thick mucus. It calms inflammation and support the lungs without being harsh. It helps things move without irritating already sensitive tissue. So I'm adding this onion into my elderberry syrup and I'm going to just slow simmer it for about an hour. I also put a pause on the oregano. I usually put oregano in my elderberry syrup. I put a pause on that, and I'm also not going to take any more of the tincture. Oregano is powerful and it's antimicrobial, but it's also hot and drying. So with a dry, scratchy cough, that kind of stimulation can actually trigger more coughing. So this wasn't about oregano being bad, it was actually about the timing. And I upped the mullein from my original recipe because mullein is one of the best herbs for dry, irritating coughs. It coats and soothes the throat, calms the cough reflex, and supports the lungs while everything heals. When irritation is the main issue, mullein deserves center stage. This is what real herbalism looks like, right? Same herbs, different ratios, depending on what your body is asking for. And just to be clear, this is not medical advice. This is just what I did for my body and what I am noticing is happening within me. So the adjustments that I'm making. I think that you could definitely learn a lot by studying the herbs and how they affect your particular body. But for me, I'm about to get rid of this cough. I promise you that.